Example 4. In the figure 3.7, bisectors of angle B and angle C of triangle ABC intersect at point P. Prove that angle BPC is equal to 90 degrees plus half of angle BAC. Complete the proof filling in the blanks. Coming to the proof. We are given bisectors of angle B and angle C of triangle ABC to intersect at point P. Ray BP is one bisector. It is the bisector of angle ABC, and ray CP is the bisector of angle ACB. You have to prove that measure of angle BPC is equal to 90 degrees plus half of measure of angle BAC. First take triangle ABC. Sum of the measures of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So, measure of angle BAC plus measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle ACB will be equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, now in the final answer we want 90 degrees. So if you want to get 90 degrees, then what we have to do? Here we have in the right hand side 180 degrees. Somehow we want 90 degrees. So divide throughout by 2. Otherwise multiplying each term by half. So now when you multiply each term by half, you will get half of measure of angle BAC plus half of measure of angle ABC plus half of measure of angle ACB is equal to half of 180 degrees. Now, so half of 180 degrees means it is 90 degrees. And half of angle ABC is angle PBC. You take angle PBC. Because we are going to consider triangle BPC. Because we want to prove angle BPC is equal to something. So now we are going to concentrate on triangle BPC. So for our convenience, we are not taking half of ABC as angle ABP. We are taking half of angle ABC as angle PBC. Because we know that ray BP is the angle bisector of angle ABC. So ray BP divides this angle into 2 equal parts. Now we are considering this angle PBC. So instead of half of measure of angle ABC, we can write angle PBC. Similarly, instead of half of angle ACB, we can write angle half of angle ACB is equal to angle PCB. Now, half of angle BAC plus measure of angle PBC plus measure of angle PCB is equal to 90 degrees. Now, take half of angle BAC to the other side of the equal to sign. So already 90 degrees is present here. Now plus half of measure of angle BAC will become minus half of measure of angle BAC when you take to the other side of the equal to sign. Keep this as equation number 1. Now consider this triangle BPC. In triangle BPC, Sum of the measures of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, measure of angle BPC plus measure of angle PBC plus measure of angle PCB is equal to 180 degrees. Now, look at equation 1. What is measure of angle PBC plus measure of angle PCB? It is 90 degrees minus half of measure of angle BAC. So, in this equation, instead of measure of angle PBC plus measure of angle PCB, we can substitute 90 degrees minus half of measure of angle BAC. So, just substitute this over here. Now, the equation becomes measure of angle BPC plus 90 degrees minus half of measure of angle BAC is equal to 180 degrees. The reason you have to write beside is from 1. Now, keep BPC on one side because we want to prove measure of angle BPC is equal to something. So, you want measure of angle BPC on this side, on the left hand side. So, keep it here but take the remaining to the other side of the equal to sign. What is here? 90 degrees minus half of measure of angle BAC. When taken to the other side, plus will become minus. Open the bracket and write what is over here, 90 degrees minus half of measure of angle BAC. So, the operation plus becomes minus over here. Don't forget to put the bracket because this minus is common for the first term here as well as for the second term here. Now, minus into minus will become plus. So, in the second one we have plus. Minus into plus is minus. So, minus into plus becomes minus and minus into minus becomes plus. So, the equation goes on like this. Measure of angle BPC is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees plus half into measure of angle BAC. Now, 180 degrees minus 90 degrees will become 90 degrees. Then, the remaining is plus half into measure of angle BAC. Hence, we have proved that measure of angle BPC is equal to 90 degrees plus half of measure of angle BAC. You have to write the final statement like that. Practice set 3.1. In the figure, angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Measure of angle B is equal to 40 degrees. Measure of angle A is equal to 70 degrees. You have to find the measure of angle ACD. You are given angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. You have to find measure of angle ACD. Also, you are given measure of angle B is equal to 40 degrees and measure of angle A is equal to 70 degrees. Now, let us see the solution. You know the theorem of remote interior angles. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. Here, angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. The remote interior angles will be angle BAC and angle ABC. So, measure of angle ACD will be equal to measure of angle BAC plus measure of angle ABC. You have to write the reason by the side. by theorem of remote interior angles. Otherwise, by theorem of by remote interior angles theorem. Now you are given measure of angle B is equal to 40 degrees. That means measure of angle ABC is equal to 40 degrees. And also you are given measure of angle A is equal to 70 degrees. That means measure of angle BAC is 70 degrees. So we are going to substitute all these in this equation. So we will get measure of angle ACD is equal to 70 degrees plus 40 degrees. Within brackets you have to write by the given data. Now what is 70 degrees plus 40 degrees? It is 110 degrees. Therefore, measure of angle ACD is equal to 110 degrees. So the final answer will be measure of angle ACD is equal to 110 degrees. Now coming to the next one. In triangle PQR, measure of angle P is equal to 70 degrees. Measure of angle Q is equal to 65 degrees. To find measure of angle R. You know that sum of measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So in triangle PQR, measure of angle P plus measure of angle Q plus measure of angle R is equal to 180 degrees. You have to write the reason by the side. Since sum of the measures of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Now in the problem you are given measure of angle P is equal to 70 degrees and measure of angle Q is equal to 65 degrees. So substitute these values over here. You will get 70 degrees plus 65 degrees plus measure of angle R is equal to 180 degrees. By the given data. Now add 70 degrees and 65 degrees. You will get 135 degrees. 135 degrees plus measure of angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, measure of angle R will be equal to 180 degrees minus 135 degrees plus 135 degrees from the left hand side. When it is taken to the right hand side, the sign changes as minus. So we get minus 135 degrees. So, measure of angle R is equal to 180 degrees minus 135 degrees, which is otherwise equal to 45 degrees. So, your answer is measure of angle R is equal to 45 degrees. Now, coming to question number 3. The measures of angles of a triangle are x degrees, x minus 20 degrees, x minus 40 degrees. You have to find the measure of each angle. So the solution, you can apply sum of measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So x degrees plus x minus 20 degrees plus x minus 40 degrees will be equal to 180 degrees. You have to write the reason by the side, since sum of the measures of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Now, removing the brackets, because it is addition, it is so simple. Remove the brackets and just go on adding. Now, x degrees plus x degrees plus x degrees will be 3x degrees minus 60 degrees, because minus 20 minus 40. When two numbers are having same sign, add and put the same sign. So add the numbers 20 and 40 will become 60 and sign will be minus. Therefore, now remove all the degrees on either side of the equal to sign. You'll get you are getting 3x degrees is equal to 180 degrees plus 60 degrees. Now remove all the degrees on both the sides of the equal to sign. Then you will get 3x is equal to 180 plus 60. Now add 180 and 60. You will get 240. Therefore 3x is equal to 240. 3x means 3 multiplied by x. Therefore x will be, when you take the 3 to the other side, multiplication becomes division. So x is equal to 240 divided by 3. 240 divided by 3 is 80. Therefore, x is equal to 80. Now, we have the measures of angles of the triangle to be x degrees, x minus 20 degrees and x minus 40 degrees. Now calculate the value of x degrees. X is equal to 80, so x degrees will be 80 degrees. X minus 20 degrees will be 80 minus 20 degrees, that is equal to 60 degrees. And x minus 40 degrees will be equal to 80 minus 40 degrees, that is equal to 40 degrees. So when you write the final answer, look at the question. In the same pattern you have to write the answer. Find the measure of each angle is given. So the answer should be written of this format. Measures of the angles of the triangle are (80 degrees, 60 degrees and 40 degrees. Measures of the angles of the triangle are 80 degrees, 60 degrees and 40 degrees. Now coming to the next question. The measure of one of the angles of a triangle is twice the measure of its smallest angle, and the measure of the other is thrice the measure of the smallest angle. Find the measures of the three angles. We don't know the measure of the smallest angle. First of all, we don't know the measure of the smallest angle. So, let us take the measure of the smallest angle of the triangle to be x degrees. Now, look at the condition given in the question. The measure of the other two angles of the triangle, according to the given condition, the measure of the other two angles of the triangle will be 2x degrees and 3x degrees, because it is given the measure of one of the angles of the triangle is twice the measure of the smallest angle, and the measure of the other is thrice the measure of the smallest angle. So, according to the given condition, the measure of the other two angles of the triangle will be 2x degrees and 3x degrees. We all know the property. Sum of measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So, we are going to apply this property here in this triangle. So, you will get x degrees plus 2x degrees plus 3x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Write the reason beside it. Since sum of measures of all angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of the measures of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Now, remove all the degrees on either side of the equal to sign. You will get x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degrees. So, 6x will be 180 degrees. If you are not removing the degree now, then later on you can remove it. If you are writing 6x degrees is equal to 180 degrees, the next step you remove the degrees on either side and write 6x is equal to 180 degrees. 180. Now bring 6 to the next side. Here x will remain on the left hand side, and on the right hand side 180 is already there. Then we are taking 6 to the other side of the equal to sign. 6 multiplied by x, so multiplication will become division when you are taking to the other side of the equal to sign. So x will be equal to 180 upon 6. One 180 divided by 6 will be equal to 30. Therefore, x is equal to 30. Now, calculate the value of x degrees, 2x degrees and 3x degrees. X degree will be 30 degrees. 2x degrees will be 2 multiplied by 30, that is equal to 60 degrees. Two multiplied by 30 degrees will be equal to 60 degrees, and 3x degrees will be 3 multiplied by 30 degrees, that will be equal to 90 degrees. Now look at the last line of the question. Find the measures of the three angles. So in the same pattern you have to write the answer. Measures of the three angles of the triangle are 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees.